Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Miss Kelly Cat is down there eating her food. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about this Ulta haul that I did. Y'all, I was trying to figure out what a good setting spray is. You know, what's the difference? There's different setting sprays. And so I grabbed a few and I just wanted to tell you what I got, how much I paid for it. And y'all let me know if you tried any of them, if you like something better. You know, I'm still trying to figure all this stuff out. So let me know what you think. I did want to tell you, these all came in a bag and this one was leaking all over the place when it got here. So I contacted Ulta. I told them what happened. They said, no problem. Send that one back. We'll send you another one. It's already got here. It didn't take a few days. I mean, it was like lickety split. Hello, here you go. So this is the Milani Make It Last Dewy. And let me tell you, she dewy. I did use her today, but then I kind of blotted some of it off because I felt like it gave me too much shine. But I'm going to keep trying and keep seeing, you know, what it works with. You know, some things don't work with other things. So it could have been, you know, the foundation I used, whatever, who knows. This was Hydrate, Illuminate, and Set, $9.99. I also got the original Milani Make It Last spray primer. This is a correct and set. This is $9.99. I got the Stay All Night Micro Fine Setting Mist from e.l.f. This is $10. And I could be showing you these things closer up, couldn't I? This one's got a ball in there. Here's those two. And then I also got the oh so viral, everybody's talking about it, e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This was $10 at Ulta. So we'll see. I was going to use it today. Completely forgot about it. Didn't even put primer on. Just completely forgot about it. There's all kinds of noises going on. What's going on? Alright, y'all. So that's what I got from Ulta. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.